Hey guys, how's it going? How to install Google Analytics on Bluehost. So first of all, go to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. And basically, after all that said and done, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and start setting up your Google Analytics account by adding account name and all that, and the business information, and basically agree to the terms and service, right? And basically after this, a window will open and you'll be required to select your email newsletter preference. Next, you'll be taken to your Google Analytics admin dashboard, all right? And then go ahead right here and select platform, which is web, and enter the type of web asset that you want to track. One of the first steps to take once on the admin dashboard is to select kind of web asset you will be tracking. In this case, you will choose web, okay? And once you do that, you will be prompted to set up data stream, right? Next, the setup wizard will present you with your web stream details and the Google Analytics tracking code to paste on your website, right? So basically, you can go ahead to the official website of Bluehost and make sure that you go to the WordPress, go to the website, and in your website you're gonna be able to see your website, many websites. Click edit website and you'll be redirected to the Bluehost dashboard or WordPress, and you're gonna see on the left side right here, you're gonna see the many options. Go ahead and click the plugins and then click right here upload a plugin if you haven't if you don't have the Google Analytics on your WordPress, and then you'll be prompted to select the file that you want to upload. Now select the zip file that you just downloaded, then click install now. Doing so will upload the file and install Monster Insight on your site. Once the plugin has been uploaded, click activate button to activate the plugin. The setup wizard will guide you on how to complete the process, okay? And basically, in terms of, this is for Monster Insight, but for you, if you actually use Google Analytics, just put the website domain right in the stream name of your own Bluehost, and then you're gonna be able to you'll be able to set up a WordPress Google Analytics on WordPress site using Monster Insight. Okay, go ahead and connect the Monster Insight to your website. Okay, and once the license key is verified, click the connect Monster Insight button. You'll be then prompted to choose the Google account you use to create your Google Analytics account. Doing so will take you to the page where you will grant Monster Insight the proper permission to access your analytic data, okay, and then complete the connection, okay, and the plugin will perform a final authentication. Once this completed, you'll be taken back to the Monster Insight setup page. Here you'll be presented with recommended settings enabled by default, which include events tracking, enhanced link attribution, and file download tracking. You will also find more advanced settings that you have to enable if they apply to your website type and goals, okay? And again, you're gonna follow the prompts, right? And you're gonna enter the events tracking right here. Make sure that you toggle it on in the file download tracking. Install the add-ons you need to click, and then click finish setup and exit wizard, right? And click finish setup and exit wizard, and you will all done. You just set up Google Analytics on the WordPress site. You can now see your website performance metric right from your WordPress. Okay, you're gonna see it right here in the inside, and you're gonna see reports using Google Analytics. You can see the metrics, and to do that, click on the inside option as we said, and then the WordPress dashboard, and then select reports, and basically that's it. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.